So I'm really looking forward to some other ultralight backpackers coming by and joining me and helping me. So today's Friday and I'll be here tomorrow and Sunday as well. So I'm here at the Danish Outdoor Festival. This is my setup here. I've just set up a tarp here, cheap tarp, so I can get away from the sun and the rain that's coming tomorrow. I've got my tarp tent notch on display here. The Hyperlight Mountain Gear Ultimate 2, which is brand new, with the half inner or insert. Got my Hyperlight Mountain Gear Wind Rider 2400 over there, lying on the ground. And over here I've got the Z-Pax Duplex. So it's been pretty busy. There's been a lot of people walk by and talk, and they're very interested to learn about all this lightweight gear and tents.